morning, my friends, and Merry Christmas Eve. This is Christy Shell with Zeal Coaching. I'm still snuggled in my lounge wear for the morning because today we're talking about two things. I just wanted to give you a special message for this Christmas and for this week between Christmas and New Year's. And I hope you have it on your agenda. I hope you have it in your plan. I hope it is a part of your weekend and your holiday with your family and with your friends. But that is to relax, okay? Do you have it on your agenda? For my super productive, structured people, is relaxing a part of your agenda? Because so many of us have been racing to the finish line to get to the holiday season and getting all of our tasks and our list done. I still have to clean one more bathroom, so I'm telling you. But so it's coming though later in the day, is that I'm planning on relaxing. And I hope that you do the same thing. I hope you give yourself permission to do that every day. Happy Christmas Eve, Miss Lisa. I'm so happy to have you in my life, my friend. But to really think about this, we were just having this conversation, weren't we, Lisa, about relaxing. So I love to relax. I love weekends. My number one way to relax is to wander and have new experiences, kind of not on any timeline. But what is your favorite way to relax? What is it that is it just immersing yourself in a good book? Is it having a glass of wine and laughing or playing games with your family or friends? Is it literally just laying on the couch and reclining and not doing anything and kind of daydreaming? Because what we all need this time to relax, to recharge, especially after the race to the finish line of Christmas, right? We need this time to truly relax, to recharge, to get our spirit back, to be calm and with our family. And we often just don't do this for ourselves. We are always on the treadmill, we're always on the hamster wheel, and we don't stop. And relaxing is being productive with recharging, okay? So if you're I'm not being productive, and you're measuring yourself on how productive or how many things you get done, please make a priority that is on your checklist to relax for a few hours or for half an hour. And that doesn't mean turn on a movie and still do your shopping. That doesn't mean, having friends over but making a giant meal that is stressful for you while you're doing that. Or you're playing a game and you're making your shopping list for the next day. You are literally immersing yourself in something that is mindless, unplugged, really takes you away from the daily worries and concerns, okay? So when you go for a walk, you're not going for a walk for like the race and the exercise. You're going for the walk to relax and enjoy nature, or to have a conversation with a friend or something else. But it is really putting yourself in this place where you are not stressing or worrying or tasking even in your mind, okay? So please think about giving yourself this gift. This is the perfect time. Christmas we'll have a beautiful Christmas tomorrow, and then you kind of have a whole weekend to really, really relax. And then go into, maybe you have a gap, maybe you have a vacation. So many people save this up for vacation, but really to think about, how do you put this in your everyday week? How do you recharge? How to relax so that you can go back and be more creative, be more productive. So there's this concept of eureka, right? Eureka is what happens is Newton was really working on these factors of what is gravity and working on the equations, and he actually stopped and took a bath. And the legend goes is that he was in the bath and he was fully relaxing, and all of a sudden he was like, eureka, he got this new big epiphany about gravity, which is interesting. But We need this time to recharge so our brain can stop worrying and relax. And sometimes we come back more creative. Sometimes we come back more productive. Sometimes we come back just with the energy that we need to put into our week, into our daily lives. So, for Christmas, please give yourself this gift. The second gift I wanted to offer you is for next year, we're going to start doing some visioning. We're going to start doing some planning. So on January 2nd, because of staying at home and wanting to honor people's health, we are going to do our vision board workshop fully online and fully free as a gift to you. So you can have as many people as you want. You can get your friends to come on at the same time, but all you have to do is go to my website or go to the event page that is going to be posted soon, but it's live on the website at zealcoach.com, to look at coming to my Envision. It's called Envision 2021, and it's a vision board, dream board workshop that you gather the supplies, and then I will facilitate you through the process. But please come. Woohoo! Thanks, Rachel. Thank you. So making sure that you bring your friends. If you're a quiet person, making sure your space is empty and you have nice quiet time, or bring some friends together and make it a social event. But I will be facilitating that for free on January 2nd, so a week from Saturday, from I think it's 10 to noon. So 10 to noon on Saturday the 2nd. So sign up now. It's all on there. I'll post a link on this video. And I am so happy to see you all, and I hope you have a beautiful, beautiful Christmas. Don't forget, we still have discounts until the 26th for coaching, for individual coaching. And so check that out on my website, also at zealcoach.com. But I am so happy to see you, and I want to give you these two beautiful gifts. One is a vision for next year, so that's the Envision 2021, free. Check it out on my website. And this idea of giving yourself the gift of relaxation, of really disengaging and unplugging and really enjoying yourself and recharging for the new year. So Merry Christmas to you all, and Merry Christmas to you, Rachel. Thank you. And have a beautiful, beautiful holiday. Thanks.